I thought that today we could paint some cumulus clouds, some big fluffy clouds, and I have some reference pictures for us to look at. These are from a calendar that I just took some pictures out that I liked. So we see some of those big fluffy clouds here, and here's not so many of them, but some of the big white fluffy clouds. And here, and here, and here. And you see that that gives us a lot of room to work with. So it helps to have a reference picture. The colors we'll be working with today are titanium white, azul blue, blue phthalo, and maybe a little black that will mix with the blue to make a gray shade. So we have our canvas here that has gesso on it. I'm not going to paint the whole canvas. The objective is to make the shorter videos. So we're just going to lay some paint down, and I'm starting here with a 12 filbert, and I've mixed my colors ahead of time to have it palette ready. And we'll be working white on the bottom, with the sky being lighter towards the bottom and darker at the top. And we'll be working wet on wet, which helps us make a blend better. Okay. Sunny, pretty day, clouds with just a few scattered clouds on the horizon. Or do you want to have stormy clouds up there? You know, what's the mood you're trying to create in your painting? Got the fan brush with a little light on there to come back and bring out that white more strongly in some areas. Then we'll want to maybe take the bottom of this and brush it into the horizon. Just kind of fade away. You may want to put a few small clouds in, the beginning of a cloud, or maybe it's the end of one. As you can see, you know, some of the paint that's still wet, the blue, is pulling up into the white. I think I'll go ahead and make that fade away too. This a little rounder. So I think we have some ideas about clouds, and since we are trying to keep this video short, I think that we will say that's it, and don't be afraid to practice. You know, when you practice, it improves your skills, and before long you'll be making great clouds. Thank you for watching.